Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to remove your friends from your close friend list on Instagram, which is very simple and easy to do. So just simply make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos like this. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app, and then what you all have to do is just go to your profile section, and in the profile section you can see the three lines on the top right corner. Just simply tap on the three lines, click on close friends, which you can see between meta verified and favorite option. Just simply tap on close friends, and that's where you can easily reach to your close friend list. So if you want to remove someone, just simply uncheck this checkbox and like in this way, and just simply tap on done to continue. So that's how you can easily remove your friends to your close friend list on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.